You know, it's so painful when you realize that one of your breasts is smaller than the other one, making you uncomfortable. Imagine when you want to go to a party and you need to rock a gown that doesn't require you wearing any bra, and you cannot because one of your breasts is small and you are still breastfeeding. And you're wondering, how can I fix this problem? My dear, you are on the right page, because I'm going to tell you how to fix it. As long as you're breastfeeding, you are good to go. But please, if you are not breastfeeding, this video is not for you. I cannot help you. But if you are breastfeeding, just keep watching this video and let me tell you what to do. Go. Hi mommies, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time that you are tuning in, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post an amazing videos. And don't forget to share this video for others to get this good news. So if one of your breasts is smaller than the other one and you are wondering how to fix it, remember I said if you're no longer breastfeeding, this video is not for you. But if you're breastfeeding, keep watching. This video is for you. So what you need to do is, that breast that your baby that is small, you know that your baby is not sucking that breast, you are not giving it to your baby. That is why that breast looks small. You try to be giving it to your baby. If you want to breastfeed your baby, give your baby that smaller one often. That will give your body signal that your baby needs that particular breast, so it will start pumping milk. So the both of them will be equal if you are giving it to them. And also, if you're using a breast pump that, even if that place is not pumping very well, try pumping that particular breast that is small. Yeah, try pumping it, pump that breast very well, so that your body, it will signal your body that this particular breast, it still needs to work. Because the reason why it's flat, you're not giving it to your child, you're not giving it to your baby. So there is no longer breast milk. The breast milk is no longer pumping there. The breast just feel relaxed. Oh, I am done with my work. So please, you have to be giving your baby that particular breast. Or if you're pumping, also pump. And don't, because you are giving your baby that other breast, doesn't mean that you're not going to give him the other one or her the other one. Try to do interchange. Like if you give your baby this breast, after sucking it, switch to the other one. That will help your baby. Yeah, that will help your breast to be normal. Like when you're no longer breastfeeding your baby anymore, your breast will still be looking the same. It will not be looking like one is bigger than the other one, making you feel uncomfortable. If you want to go out, you will not feel comfortable. If you're like me that doesn't like to wear bra, I love to wear tubes instead. You won't be able to wear tube, because imagine yourself wearing a tube. It will show that the other breast is bigger than the other one. So you have to be feeding your baby right. If you give your baby this one, give your baby the other one, so you will not have this problem of one of my breasts is bigger than the other one. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. And again, in my next video or 2 to 3 video, I don't know, I'm going to be showing you tips of what to do after you finish breastfeeding and you want your breast, that your boobs to stand the way it was before, to be firm. I'm going to drop a video on how to do that. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post an amazing video. And also share this video for others to get this amazing good news. Okay, bye, I love you. Mwah.